Hello. Somebody in here, peekaboo. It's Bubba. Probably don't need to destroy this, but that's okay. I think these might be new players. I'm not really doing anything. Weird. Ah. Ooh. Oh, nice. Gotcha. It's not letting me, Oh, that's because I can't go upstairs yet until I execute someone. I was gonna say, they're not giving me the gallows kills today. It was a little bit of a tankier, Connie. Ooh, they got this open already. Oh, there's two of them in here. Jesus. Ooh, clothesline. Chainsaw. Huh, there's two of them in there. Interesting. Peekaboo. Ooh, fart lady. Fart lady down. I can't run back into the basement. I'm body blocking it. GG. Alright, now Anna's the only one left. Nice. That was easy. I really wish I could feed Grandpa faster, but I can actually do this, wait 10 seconds for the animation. 600 points. I really feel like she has a battery gate open. Check Jen first though. I really wonder where my, okay, my hitchhiker's in the basement for some reason. Now the fun part comes, waiting for this Anna to show herself somewhere. Let's see, where's the fuse at? Oh, there's Anna. Nice. Okay, we found her. Oh, the hitchhiker's right here too. Nice, bro. You took my 4K, but nice. Still nice, still nice. My love, not your love. Nice. Ready, relax. Yeah. Gotcha! Chainsaw! Wait, don't they have a door open? Okay, they do. Bruh. Wait, they don't even have a door open. Hmm. Ah, you are hiding over here. Hello. Guys are playing very scared. Oh, hello. Oh my god, I missed. No. Fuck, I have no endurance. Fuck. Grandpa's in danger. There we go. Nice. Gotcha. She has no no-cell. That's pretty ballsy. The Leland and the Julia had no no-cell. Pretty ballsy, bro. Pretty ballsy. Especially against a Leatherface. I mean, I know I'm not that good, but like, still ballsy, bro. Still ballsy. Oh. Oh my god, how's that miss? No. What? How's that miss? There we go. Okay. I guess I gotta be right up her ass, dude. Right up her ass. Go, go, go. Where is this guy? Oh, there it is. Is he going down the ladder? Okay. This guy trying to get out, or he's just trolling? Yeah, he's just trolling. Clothesline. Hey, I got a 4K. Nice. GG.